Hello all. Greetings, my name is Randy. We're gonna do some light weaving and check in, receive any energy transmissions here. Taking a few deep breaths, connecting into your I am presence, your heart space. Receiving, trusting this message aligns in the eternal now of your consciousness. Receiving these downloads, integrating. Now what the opening transfers. Yeah, what the harnessing back into the body. Yeah, what the yeah, ma what the ne what the name yering might. Noticing any backlog, tensions in the back or shoulders. Yeah, what the ma what the ne what ne what the na what the ne what ma what the ne what letting it flow, trusting, allowing, experience will be seen in your authentic blueprint, activating, releasing, letting go, connecting downwards, connecting into basic alchemy training and reprogramming in this server of Earth, in this plane of Earth, in this time-space connection of Earth, and your physical body and your experiences here, resolving, using it for service to others. Yeah, with the mile with the now with the nayat alchemy training, and what the consistency of that basic knowing, the foundation, imprinting it. Newata. Trusting your guts and your intuition. Newata. I is the essence, I of the I. Whether storms or pendulums or tornadoes, I is still here. Transcending this foundation, always allowing coming back to the basics again. Field can be so advanced and complicated, but also coming back to simplicity and ease and the basics again, mastering the basics over and over again, or practicing until it's implemented and second nature, and even that coming back to it. In a way, there's a necessary call for these ascension teachings, but also how you integrate it basically, practically here with your self, with your reality, with your interactions. With your own energy. So the call and the necessity, so signal, always following, tuning into the signal, not the noise, not the content, not the five senses, but the tuning, the call, the heart expansion. Singing can be temporary. Conditional happiness, conditional love, romance, sex, drugs, satsangs are temporary. The intention will always come back to true love, unconditional love, Satchitananda, peace, harmony. And that's always available there. But it's activating your soul blueprint, your design here. Now, which will feel different and look different for others. It's a subjective experience in that way. Now, there are archetypes, there are universal archetypes, cosmic archetypes. We share and play for each other, play as characters, play as thought leaders or followers in the sense of energy transmission. But again, we're unleashing this slave or prostitute energy paradigm and owning our creatorship, owning our authority as the creator, shared creators, shared co-creators. Now at the Kanawe as artists, as creative, as poets, writers, storytellers, coaches, consultants. Yes, not the name or profession, but what is true for you every single day. Soul blueprint activation. Now at the sound heart, sound leaders, sound rhythms. Heart rhythms, heart leaders, heart math, heart consistency. Heart Taurus opening field. Maya tika newa ititi newa ititi ewa ititi. Newa tana ora me ititi yidi. Make your galactic brothers and sisters, the one heavenly creator. Newa tana yet ne e no what the ne e titi e ma ititi ewa ititi newa. Now what the newa ititi ne. Now what the newa ititi newa ma ititi ewa ititi newa. Wurike newa ititi newa. Noticing any tugs, cords in the energy field, releasing back into your authentic energy, true self energy, kind of releasing cords. Astral cleansing, etheric cleansing. Breathing again, breathing, harmonizing, breathing, harmonizing. Okay, feels pretty solid. And we're starting an 8-week basic alchemy course, training, reality creation. You can sign up at randysen.as.me. Also, one-on-one soul activations, light codes, light transmissions, spiritual alchemy, higher self connection, coaching, consciousness training. Also, you can schedule at randysen.as.me. So, connecting into the elements, beautiful earth, taking time for yourself if needed. Immortal beings in these meat suits, but still this time to be used for service to others. Again, not in a forceful way, but just knowing yourself. Again, tenets: know yourself, accept yourself, trust yourself, respect free will, yourself and others, love yourself, live life, laugh that joy, this cosmic joke, this cosmic service, the divinity in this lifetime. No. Yeah. Enjoying the process. Enjoying time, even. Enjoying no time. Noticing any customs or customizations you want to make in your life, like what seems to come out, even if you journal or kind of connect into certain thought patterns. Customizations, customizing your life. Even maybe there could be a fear of it going to a certain direction, but again, looking at those fears. As it will adjust, it does adjust. There is this spiral of adjustments beyond the intellect, higher self knows. So thank you for receiving. I hope this guides you could like or share. Again, just building my channel up again for, I guess, refining of service, but always appreciate the support or connection to your higher self, and trusting this message again is here now, just for you. It is for you. Otherwise, why we're here talking to each other. So beautiful, harmonizing, and pleasure and honor to be with you. Connect further. Peace and love.